Hi guys,
My name is Abdul Rahman.
I want to share my experience how I learned my first time I read the motorcycle. At the time I was 17 years old, I asked my father to give me a gift, which is a motorcycle. However, my wish was rejected by my father because I was still an adult. Then I asked my father to teach me to ride a motorcycle. Initially, my father refused my request and promised to teach me next year, but I sulked. Finally, my father taught me to ride a motorcycle in a field near the house. Father gave instruction on how to drive it. First, my father led me from behind and I was riding on my father. Over time, I want to try it myself. I was happy and proud to be riding a motorcycle. A few days later, I tried to ride a motorcycle on the narrow street of my house. I was nervous when there was another motorcycle in front of me. Unexpectedly, my motorcycle hit the walls, which made me fall from the motorbike. I was afraid of being scolded when I got home, but the reality, my father was very proud of me. I was also given advice to be more calm driving. Thank you.